Hello and welcome to the Travel Fans family and our review of the Oceanfront King Room at AVA Resort in Cancun, Mexico. If you're looking for a space that feels equal parts relaxing and luxurious, you're in the right place. This room is spacious, modern, and very clean. Plus, one of the best parts is that every single room at the resort comes with an ocean view. So immediately you're already getting that beachy vacation vibe when you enter the resort. As soon as you walk in, the room feels really open and easy to navigate. There's nothing cramped or cluttered. Right near the entrance, there's a storage closet with robes, a few hangers, and a safe, which is perfect for keeping those valuable items secure. Next to that, you've got your coffee maker and mini fridge, so whether you're a slow morning coffee or a late night snacks person, they got you covered. There's also a small table with seating for two, which is just another great feature so you can relax and get ready for your day. Moving further into the room, you've got the king-size bed, which is super comfortable, and a TV set up directly across from it. So it's the perfect setup to crash into after a long day in the sun. The couch next to the bed is a pull-out sofa, which is great if you have extra people staying with you. Overall, the whole space just feels really modern, clean, and easy to relax in. When you head into the bathroom, the vibe stays consistent, clean, modern, and really well put together. It's nice and spacious too, so you don't feel crowded while getting ready. One thing to note that's super convenient is the soap and shampoo that's already on the shower wall, so you don't have to worry about packing those unless you really want to. It's one of those little touches that makes your stay easier. There's also this really cool window out into the main room. Not really sure what its function is, but it looks sick. Overall, it's a really nice bathroom, simple, comfortable, and exactly what you want on a beach vacation. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the balcony. Since every room has an ocean view, stepping outside is honestly a whole moment. First of all, you have a couch out here, which makes it the perfect spot to sit back, kick your feet up, and just take in the view, whether it's bright and early or nice and late. There's also a tub on the balcony, which is such a cool feature. Being able to relax in a tub while looking out at the ocean, now that's pretty hard to beat. Overall, this room checks all the boxes. Spacious, modern, clean, with comfortable beds, a really nice bathroom, and that unbeatable oceanfront balcony setup. It's a great choice if you want something that feels both relaxing and a little elevated during your stay in Cancun. Thank you so much for watching, and for more honest reviews of high-end resorts and suites, don't forget to subscribe and follow Travel Fans LLC on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We are Travel Fans, and we make your travel better.